Stupid dog!
I gotta get back to Dad. I'll just pop out and... Oh, my stars! A whole department just for cakes? Cakes are just for birthdays and weddings and sometimes Arbor Day. But this? It's unprecedented. Whoa. That's the most glamorous cake I've ever seen. Well, one little lick won't hurt. I'll just lean over this comically large industrial mixer and... Oh no, I fell in!
How long is this gonna go on? You can't live up there forever.
Huh?
Come on, buddy. How about we get you down from there and we'll just all forget about this meltdown you're currently having.
Speak for yourself.
No! Don't come any closer! Ah! Stay back! Mitts! Ah!
Easy, easy. Let me help you down.
Ah! 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 Cookalicoo! Cookalicoo! Cookalicoo!
Huh? The bird signal. I'm coming, Dad!
His finger strength is amazing!
Cookalicoo! I'm here to save you, Dad. I've learned the ways of the grocery store, and I am now more powerful than you could ever imagine.
Oh, good. Your kid is back. Now you can...
Baking soda.
Ah!
What the? Where'd everyone go?
Toilet paper.
Ah, I can't see.
Take her away, sisters.
Oh, please, don't hurt me! Ah!
Bucket. Grocery flip.
What's going on out there?
Hands off my dad. Name. Handsome stranger. More crackers.
Whoa! Gobble, gobble!
What?